Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete the GGPoker app off your iPhone device. So there's actually a couple of ways to do this. Basically, I have the GGPoker app on the bottom left of my screen. What you can do is press the app and hold it until it gives you these options right here. And then the top one, it says remove app in red, press that. And then to confirm, press delete app. Press delete again, and that will fully delete the GGPoker app off your iPhone. So guys, I've actually reinstalled the GGPoker app on this device so that I can show you another way to delete it off the device. From here, go to the settings in the top of my screen, and then scroll all the way down to General. Go over to iPhone Storage, and then scroll all the way down through your apps and find the GGPoker app. Here it is right here. Click into there, and then from there there's a delete app button in red. Click that, confirm by pressing delete app in red again, and that will completely delete the GGPoker app from your device. So guys, if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel, and if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.